Okay, guys, so this is MIS 113, PH, class 5 to 8 a.m. We're going to go into the creating a signature for the class, and then we're going to receive emails accordingly from the students. So what you want to do is go into your settings. Everybody see that? See all settings. Okay, you're going to see a bunch of stuff in here in general. You're going to go all the way down to where it says a signature. Okay. Now I made a simple one. Got a simple one. I also have a more elaborate one. So I used a more elaborate one, which has my name, my title, the college, my Zoom number, my email, and of course the logo. But you can actually just put in your name, your student ID, and your email, and just say, first you got to do is create new. Okay. So you're going to create new. You're going to call it, let's see, my signature or my SIG. Create it. And then you go in here, you're going to put your first name, your last name. Okay, you're going to put your student ID. Okay, and then you're going to put your student email. And if you want to put school logo, you're welcome to. Okay, once you do that, you're going to save it. So you can come down here to the bottom and you're going to save changes. Okay. So when you compose an email, your signature will come up here. So what I want you to do is I want you to send me your guys' signature telling me that you're here today. So we're going to send it back. We're going to send it to me. Attendance for today. Okay. I was present. Now you can put in MIS 113 PH or whatever center you're at, PH or PS or WC. So I'll know. And then I was present, you'll have your information, and then send it to me like that. So I'll receive it and able to take attendance on it. Okay? Any questions?
After the name and the student ID, what else did you want in there?
You can put the school logo if you want. Just your name, student ID, and email would be sufficient because you're going to be using that throughout your OLC emails moving forward.
What's the email that we're sending it to?
You're sending it to Michael.Corwett. Let me get myself this back out here. Michael.Corwett@olc.edu. Let me share that with you real quick.
Can you show me how to get there again?
Sure. Let me go back in here. Okay. You guys can still see it. You go to settings, see all settings. All you do is scroll down. You see signature, create your new one. So you're going to create new.
I think you're on the Word. I don't see the Gmail.
Oh, sorry. Hold on. I am on Word. 1 second.
Where can we get the OLC logo? I know it's optional, but I'm just curious.
Yeah, I'll get it for you. Hold on. Okay, I'll drop it in chat. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to create a new one. So you can create new one, create new, give it a name, okay? Mine is my SIG. And put your first name, last name, student ID, and student email. And then if you want to find a logo, you go to attach. Oh, not link. Where'd it go? Might have to. Let me see. Copy image. Let me see if that works. Let me see if that works. Oh, it does work. Okay. So what you want to do is you take this little logo up here, if you have it, and you just attach it here, but you won't have it. So for those of you that have, do you have this logo at all anywhere? Let me do it for you. Hold on. Okay, copy image. Let me see if I can put it in chat. Hold on here. Let me stop sharing. Let me see if I can put it in chat. Yep, there it is. Okay, I'm sending it. Okay, there it is. You just copy and paste that onto there. Okay, those of you who don't have Microsoft Office, check with your IT department, at your centers, check with your counselor. They always have a good way of getting that to you, and they'll be able to help you with that. For those who don't have an office yet.
I'm sorry, can you repeat one more time what we need to have on the signature?
Sure. Hold on. Okay, let me share that real quick. Okay. So you want to have your first name, your last name, your student ID, and your student email. And if you want to put the school logo, you're welcome to. I put the logo in chat.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody else?
Whenever I tried to save it, it says my signature was too long.
Really?
Yeah.
Mine too.
Well, you're gonna have to then shorten it down. If your name's really long, it may not hold all the characters. So you may want to put your first initial, last name. That will help. That will be fine too. Maybe that'll let you know, because sometimes they have parameters on the signature that Google sets up.
I think mine only did that when I added the OLC symbol.
Oh, okay. Well, then we may have to, eliminate that, or I don't know. I can check in it with Tyler and see why there wasn't that. Make it smaller, maybe. The icon, the logo.
Okay.
Try that. Yeah, the best way to hit the office, I would definitely go through your IT department first, and then go through and get that done, or your counselor.
How do we
Okay.
save signature?
Huh?
How do we save the signature?
It's on the bottom. Let me just share that real quick. Okay, once you get it done, you go all the way to the bottom here, and you hit Save Changes. Now, one thing I did not show you, let me go back and show it to you. Almost forgot. Okay, so in here, when you do your signature, you want to set it up for all new emails. You're going to put whatever you titled it, my SIG, or whatever you title it. Mine's my signature. Okay, that's the one I use for school. So down here, you want to make sure it says my signature, or whatever you titled it. Make sure those are there in there, because that'll be showing up on your new emails as well as your forwarding or reply emails. Then you go all the way down to the bottom and you click Save Changes. Everybody got that?
Yeah.
Good deal. Okay, so I'm gonna start looking to see what you guys are turning in so far. Okay. Very good. Okay. Very good.
What is your email?
Michael.Corwit@olc.edu. I'll get it, I'll show you again. All right, good deal, good deal. All right, so let me show you my email again. Let me share it real quick. There it is. Michael dot CORWITT@olc.edu.
Thank you.
No problem. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take about a 15-minute break. And then we're going to start on going through some of the tutorials for Google and Google Mail, just to give you guys an update, or maybe do a quick overview of that. And then we'll go into our first class project, step by step. So it will be recorded. My recordings are done, and then I put them on YouTube. Now, the recordings that I do on YouTube, the only way you can access it is through your OLC email. So when I send you a link for the recording, it will take you to YouTube, but it would only give you access if you're using your OLC email. Everybody understand that? And what I try to do is record every class with the step-by-step instructions on the projects. I also like doing the midterm review recording. Some of the earlier quizzes that we do that are going to be in Moodle, we may do the first one in class so you can understand how it should be done. And then let me give a quick show of hands. How many people have used Moodle before? Okay. Okay. All right, go ahead and put your hands down. All right. What else do I need here? I like taking attendance usually after the first hour. And then I check attendance again at the end. Knowing that these are 3-hour courses, I try to make them as short as possible, depending on what the criteria or what the projects that we're doing. I do want to give you guys a break, like every 15 minutes, every hour, just so you guys can, just stretch and relax and get ready. But what we're going to do is we're going to get into the next part of the class is we're going to go over a Word document, and then we're going to do an in-class project about Word document. And then we'll see where we're at after that, and then we'll see if we need to end early or add some more things for tonight's class. All right. So with that, let's go ahead and take a break. Okay, guys, we're back. I just emailed you guys a file that has some pictures on it. I'm also going to present it in chat. Those two files we're going to need, or those two pictures you're going to need to complete the assignment for the in-class assignment tonight. So make sure you guys have it. It's in your email as well as in your in chat. Okay. Any questions what we've gone through so far? Anybody?
It says on
who's
the that the attachment was removed because it exceeded the size limit.
Okay. Can you pull it from chat?
It says
I'm
the
gonna-
same thing as well.
Says the same. Oh, what the heck?
The chat link worked for me, but the email one didn't.
Okay. Maybe I need to make it smaller.
Sorry, I missed the assignment because the battery on this laptop died.
No problem. I haven't done anything yet.
Okay.
Let me see if I can make it smaller. Hold on. Okay. Let me see if that'll work. Save. Hold on. She's looking for the kids. All right, let me see if this will work. Let me try saving it as
Mine worked. You just have to save it under a new folder and
okay,
then reopen it.
okay. Let me just hit save. All right. Let me see if I can resend that. Okay. Let me try resending it. Might be a smaller version of it now. That's still pretty large. And the email didn't show up either. Anybody else having problems getting it?
On the chat, is it just a picture of like a chef woman?
Yep, chef and a cupcake.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm. You can see a picture of a chef and a cupcake. You'll need those for the document.
I still can't access the files.
Okay. You don't have access to which file? The one I just sent in chat? You go to your chat, it'll be on your shared screen, it'll say polls, participant, chat. Inside there, there's going to be a document that says 1 week files.docx.
Okay, got it.
Good deal. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move on. Okay, so I'm gonna go in here and I'm going to open up a Word document. Make sure everybody can see that. Okay. Let me. We'll open up a Word document. Okay, in the Word document. 1 second. All right. Now everybody can see. Okay, good. All right, so in the Word document, we have several pieces to it. Let me just move that down here. You have your file, which is your back page. Okay. You have your home, you have your insert, you have your draw, design, layout, references, mailings, review, view, and of course your help section. Okay. In this particular instant, we're going to be opening up a blank document, just like this. Okay, down here is your word count. Okay, over here is your different read modes. Okay, and then of course your zoom in and out. Within each tab, you have different groups that we'll be using. Okay, and the book will show us exactly where to go and what to do. But first of all, we have to save this file in a location where we could find it. So I'm going to put it in my my documents from OLC. Okay, I'm going to call this my first name dot last name. I don't know if you can see this. At or not at underscore. What do you want to call this? First document. Somewhere on your computer or jump drive, you want to create a file and call it first name and last name underscore 1A 1A. I'll see if I can share this. Hold on. Stop sharing. Where am I? I don't know if this is going to show it or not. Can you guys see that? Yeah, you can. So I'm going to share it as first name anywhere on your computer or on your jump drive. Your last name 1A underscore chef notes. Okay. Underscore chef underscore notes. And you're gonna save it. Okay, once you have your file name saved, then we can start working on it. Now you can create a folder within your folder structure. Let me see if I can show you that. And within your folder structure on the computer, you can create a folder in your documents or wherever else you want to set it up. But you can create a new folder. Okay, you can call it Office Features. Office Features, Chapter 1. Chapter 1, and leave it like that. And then what you can do is you can take what was that document that you just created. Where am I at? Go. Here it is. I'm going to copy this. Copy. What is it? Let's see. Copy. I'm going to go find it where I put it in my documents. And I'm going to paste it there. Okay. So now I know that my chapter 1, this is my chef notes. I know where it's at. You can do it that way. Okay. Makes it easier for navigation. All right. Oops, I stopped sharing. Let me go back to share. Okay, so we're on the Word document. Everybody can see that?
Yes.
Everybody can see it? Okay, good. All right, so if it doesn't say enable editing on top, make sure that you click on enable editing. Okay, and now in the home tab, in the show and hide paragraph markers, you want to click on that. Okay, so you want to make sure that that's showing. So you'll see it on the view tab. You want to go into view and make sure that your ruler is clicked. And then go back to your home tab. Okay? For those of you that have a book, I'm on page 12 already. Okay, so in your first paragraph, you're going to type in skyline grill info. Okay? Make sure that even though okay, point slight to right of letter E. Info. All right. So they want us to point there and take out the E, backspace. And then under the I, okay. Press one time insertion left of I of info. Oops. So after grill, you're going to put in chef notes. Okay, chef notes. Trying to see. Okay, so Skyline Grill chef notes. And they want us to make sure we got this right. Remove info.
I have a question.
Yeah.
I kind of missed the first part where you put the little paragraph thing.
Where? Paragraph. You mean what I'm writing?
No, like before you, like your layout thing. Or how'd you put the little paragraph symbol on there?
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, no problem. You go to your home tab and you click on here. This is your
Oh, okay. Great, thank you.
formatting marks. Yep. Everybody get that? Okay, then in between Skyline, they want us to type in Metro and then space. So it says Skyline Metro Grill Chef Notes. Then they want us to hit enter after notes. On the next one, they want us to type in executive chef. Comma. And then they want us to space and hit Madison Dunham.
How did you get the little dots in between each word? Sorry.
No problem. It's a space. Those are spaced out. You hit a space bar, it will automatically put them in there. If you remove your paragraph notes or paragraph, it won't show up.
Oh, okay.
So if you remove them, they won't show up. If you put it on there, they show up.
Okay, thank you. I'll try it.
No problem. Okay, so now they want us to so they want us to highlight Madison by double clicking on it, not all of it. Or highlight Madison. You'll see our mini toolbar show up. Okay, with the text selected, they want us to type in Sarah space Jackson. So we change the name. Okay, right there on the spot. Okay, so now we're going to check our spelling. So we're going to go into our review section. Not review, I'm sorry. Home. Where to go? Review. No. Review. No. Yeah. Our spelling and grammar. We're going to check it. Click on it. Okay, it looks like everything looks good. Nothing wrong with our spelling on this one. Okay, so we're good to go. Back to home. All right. I spelled executive right. They spelled it wrong. So the program, the actual thing was that we would spell executive wrong, and it would find it in our deal. So let's do that. Okay. And let's go ahead and do our spelling again. Okay. Where is it? No, it's on the one. Spelling. No, that's not how you spell executive. All right, it's being funny. Proofing. Spelling. All right. So if you spell it right, you spell it right. If it's wrong, you'll bring it up. Like if we put grill with the E, let's see if that'll catch it. Spell check is complete. Well, supposed to be easy. That's why. Okay. Isn't it? Delete the letter E. Oh, delete the letter E. Why? Oh, I know why. It's under my I know it's doing. Okay. Kids. Let me just see if it's gonna work. No, it can't be. That's not a word. All right. Anyway, okay. We'll do proofing on another project. For some reason, it's not working the way it should. I don't know why, but okay. So now we have both. Okay, so the thing we have misspelled words, supposed to change it. Why it's not changing it, I don't know. I don't know why it didn't change it. Let's try that one. All right. Exec queue. I'm not sure why it's doing it. I'll have to check and see if it works on just why it's not working. Okay. All right, so close editor. Make sure that you have let me see, where is it at? If you have autosave, it'll save it. If you don't, just hit Control F to save your document as much as possible. Okay, so on the design section of it, on page background group, go to page color, go to fill effects. Okay, you're going to go one color. The color you're going to use is the 8th column, first row. You're going to light it all the way, and then it says to use go box all the way to light, and then use the upper right corner, which will show the sample, and then click OK. So that's what it should look as a final color. Okay, so now point to the S and skyline.
Can you repeat the colors, please?
Sure. Color page. Okay, you're gonna pick this color right here,
Okay.
but in color page, you're gonna go to fill effects. Okay, one color. Pick this color right here. And then you're gonna lighten it all the way over. We're gonna pick the top corner there. And you're gonna go from corner, almost forgot that, from corner, and then click OK. It looks like that.
I don't have the design option.
You don't have design option on your Office software?
Yeah, I'm not using the actual software. I'm using it the Chrome. Like I'm using the
Hmm.
Word, not the actual software.
Okay, so you don't have design option or to change colors or anything?
Would it be under design?
It would
Or-
be under design, or it'd be under under themes, colors.
Okay, I'm gonna look around.
All right.
Same thing for mine though. It's letting me select the color, but not the
Not the gradient.
design. Yeah, not the gradient or anything.
If you go to fill effects, under page color right here, towards the back part of design tab,
Yeah, all it has for me is more colors. Don't have fill
it
effects.
doesn't have fill effects in there.
No, and in the search bar up top, or for mine,
Uh-huh.
there's a search bar and it's not popping it up.
Hmm.
I
Okay,
mean, I
well-
changed the entire page to the color, but not the
yeah,
effects
just
that
do
you have.
do the color. Just change it to the
Okay.
color, light color.
Yeah, I'm using the Mac version, so
Okay,
I'm assuming it's
that's probably why.
slightly different.
Mac tip, the mini toolbar, live preview are not available. Use ribbon commands. Let me see, I had some more Mac tools in here. Mac tip, on the first tab, drag your cursor to the color wheel until you see the color in the small box similar to the background color shown in figure 1.1. So, yeah, yours is a little different. I'm not sure if you'll have gradient in Mac. Okay, we're going to highlight all this. We get a mini toolbar, okay? We're gonna go to styles. And they want us to put it under title. Did you guys see that? Mini toolbar, title. So they want that as title style. Show it again. Mini toolbar, highlight this first. Then you'll have your styles come up and you click on title. Okay. Then they want it centered. So with this highlighted, they want it centered. Let me see if I can do it here. Yes, right here, centered, and it's centered. On the home tab in Mac, the styles gallery, click title. Okay, another way is to press Control E to use the command center control. Mac tip, use the command plus E to use the center command. Mine's up, so save your document. Okay,
So I was trying to get my word going. So I think I'm like, how do you make it with the little tiny dots right in the middle? I missed like
Okay.
the first sentence.
if you're in your home, all you do is if you click on the paragraph notes or format notes, show and hide. If you click on that, they'll give you the P's as well as the little dots. But if you remove it, it won't show it. So up here in your home tab, in your paragraph group, you have what they call show and hide formatting tips. They're for their formatting symbols. It just helps you know where your cursors are.
Okay, all right, thank you.
No problem. Now understand, and write this down somewhere, guys. Formatting marks do not print. Just write it. It could be anchors, it could be paragraph, it could be dots. The formatting marks do not print. In your quiz or in your test or somewhere, you'll see that they're saying that formatting marks will print in light gray. That is false. Formatting marks, when you print the document out, they will not show up. So write that down somewhere. It's very important to remember that. Okay. Moving on.
I'm having a hard time centering my stuff. Like whenever
real
I
simple.
highlight it,
Okay, when you highlight it,
just
there's several ways you can do it.
just the styles pops up and all the rest on the
Okay.
right.
See
hand.
on your home tab where it says
Oh, okay.
paragraph,
Yeah.
you can go center
Okay, I
right
got
there
it.
too.
Thank you.
And center right there too. It doesn't have to be in the design side. There's several places where you can center. Even if you highlight this in your mini toolbar, it's some of them is already put in. Depends on your version. You might have to just go to your home tab, to your paragraph group, and just click center. Either way. Okay? That help? Okay, so now we're going to go into our font group. They want us to go to the font group and go to text effects, which is right here. Okay, so we're going to go to text effects. We're going to open that up. Okay. In the second row, first effect is what they want. So in the second row, first effect. And deselect anywhere. Cancel selection, text, notice the text effect. Okay. Now they want us to highlight it again. And they want us to use the undo button. Where is the undo button? Like say, mine doesn't have it.
It's next to your autosave on the left.
I'm looking. On my mini toolbar?
Is it supposed to be? It's under your home by your autosave button.
They're saying quick access toolbar. Oh, click undo. Duh. Okay. So on the quick access toolbar, oops, back up. Where is my quick access toolbar? What?
Yeah, if you look right under the file, it's like right below it, down, like with it. See the little, yeah.
Oh, there it is. So I need a quick access toolbar. Let's see here. Where is it? Save, quick print, editor, undo. Oh, undo. Okay, so it went back to normal. All right. I'm getting used to the Windows 11 software too. All right, so they want us to undo that. Undo command reverses everything to your last action. With all the text still highlighted, okay, they want us to go into the gallery again. Okay, then they want us to click on the first row, fifth effect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth effect. Okay. Looks good. There, that looks better. All right. Okay, what else we got? Okay, customize quick access toolbar. We'll go here. We're going to customize it. They want us to make sure that we have print preview click. And that's all they want us to do. Okay, so that was how you customize it. Right, so I'm automatically saving. It's all different. They want print and preview set up. Okay. On to the next. In the second line of text, so we go here. They want us to press enter 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And in the second in the second blank paragraph, click on the insert tab. This is where you want to insert your picture that we found that I sent you guys. So now I got to find it. Insert pictures. Insert from this device. So now I got to find the picture I put in there. Let's see, what was it? Documents, Office Chapter 1. Okay, open that up. No, that's not what I want. Close that. Delete. Delete. Cut. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna have to insert it from somehow the way. Let me just go into this. What did I do with it? I put it in my documents. Publish features. No, that's not what did I do with it? Oh, first week. Okay, first week files. Document. Week 1 files. Okay, so take this picture and I'm gonna copy it. Kind of feeding it. Control V, paste. Okay, so wherever you found that file, just go ahead and copy and paste it into this document. It should be bigger. Whoa. Okay, so let's center it. Okay, layout option. With text wrapping, top to bottom. There it is. Trying to see where, okay, once you get it in there, once you have copy and pasted it in there. I'm just looking here to find out how to size it up. On the upper right corner of the picture, point to the layout, which is this one here, layout options. Okay, and the layout options allows you to choose how the object and inserted picture interacts with surrounding text. An object or picture or other graphics such as chart or table that can select and then move and resize. When your picture is selected, the picture tool becomes available on the ribbon. Additionally, sizing handles, small circles and squares indicate the object is selected. Surround the selected object. Okay, with the image selected, click on layout options, which we did. Okay, with text wrapping right here, they want us to go to the second row and the first layout, which is top to bottom. Okay, and then they want us to close the box. Now, this should give you a guide when you're centered. See that green line, everybody? That's pretty much how you want it in there. Okay. Just where that green line is showing. Okay, once you have it that size, you should be okay. I'm trying to think if we need to make it bigger or smaller. Okay, so in picture tools, there's your picture format. In picture tools, over here in size, they want us to change the height to a 2. Okay. And then they want us
I'm having a hard time moving my picture over to the center. It won't let me. That green line is popping up.
it might not. It might not show up. You just gotta hold your what's what I'm looking for? I want to say, you know how you hold your mouse pad in the corner there where you can move stuff? Or try to move the picture? Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, I had to copy and paste the picture because it wasn't
Sure.
showing up.
Yeah, because normally I'd have this file, or at one time we had the file set up in resources or somewhere. And last minute I forgot to do that, so I just took it off and copy and pasted it onto a Word document, and all I did was copy and paste it from Word. And then all you have to do is go into your picture format and go to your sizing height and just put with. So, has everybody got where this is at this point?
Yeah, it wouldn't let me slide it over manually, so I had to go back to insert or home and center it that way.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, it's a great idea. You can home and center it that way as well. If it allows you to, go ahead and hit center. A lot of times because it's actually highlighted, it may not be available to you, but you should be able to right click. Let me see here. Bring to the front, set back, send it back, keep it front. Size and position. Let me just see what that looks like. Okay, here you go. If you want to get into this where it's getting, you can do center, margin, alignment. If you can't move it directly, you can go there and do that. And that's really easy to find. Whoops. That's real easy to find. You go into here, you go to let me move my bar up here. You go into see more. So right here, it shows that we're centered to margin, okay? And absolute position is 0.049 to paragraph. It's gonna be close enough to that if you have it centered, okay? But the guidelines should be there. If not, just make sure it's centered on your form in that particular aspect. Okay, so after we got that done, we're gonna save our document again. I have auto save on, so let me just click save one time. So I hit save. Okay, now we're going to move on to the next part of the project. Okay, they want us to go into our pictures and picture formatting. Okay, they want us to pick picture styles group. Okay, in picture styles group, they want us to simple white frame. Okay. And then they want us to go into picture styles group and where else? And pick the fourth style. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then they want us to go into shadow. Drop shadow. Rectangular picture stuff like shadow. Okay. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. I just wanted to show that. All right. All right, so then after that, they want us to save it. And this will be a good time to take a break. See you guys back at 15 after. Okay, so now we're going to take our document. Okay, they want us to highlight the second paragraph. One, two, three. Okay. Then they want us to let me see if it does it. Nope, back up. Undo. Okay. It should have given me my, there we go. Okay, so now they want us to see if it's in there. No. No. Huh. Why is it in there? There it would be. Oh, there it is. My bad. Okay, so highlight this. Go here to clear formatting, all formatting. All right. Then they want us to click on center. And then they want us to make sure it's Calibri, which it is, or Cambria. So we'll go here and change it to Cambria. Huh? Did I read that right? Oh, Calibri, my bad. I read it wrong. So make sure it's Calibri, which it is. Okay. Then they want us to, no, point to Cambria. I don't have Cambria, do I? Calibri.
Yeah, you went past it.
Oh, there it is, Cambria. Okay. Then they want us to, after Cambria, they want us to, let's see, want us to go to Cambria Light. Or could be.
Hello? Excuse me. I can't hear you or see you, Michael.
I think he lost connection.
I bet his laptop died.
Woohoo, party. Just kidding.
Off here. All right, so back to where we were. We highlight this. Let me take it back. I don't know what you guys did not see or not did see. Okay, so take this. We're gonna clear formatting. We're gonna center it. Okay, we're gonna find Calibri Light, and then we're going to 20 on it. Now they want us to keep it selected. Then they want us to go to the Home tab font group. And under theme colors, they want us to go to the 6 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then click to the 5th to the last color. And deselect the text. Okay. With your insertion point and blank below, just below the picture. Okay, so this one, they want us to go here. They want us to type in rehearsal dinner. Okay. Menu ideas. Menu. Oops. Can't see up. Menu. Ideas, and then press enter 2 times. So menu ideas. And then enter. Okay, so that should have been this one here. Okay, then they want us to type in appetizers. Appetizers. Press enter. Salads. Enter. Main dishes. Enter. And last one is desserts. Desserts. And after desserts, they want us to enter 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Click anywhere on the word dinner. Come on. Okay. And choose the font color. And then with it still, click bold and italicize. And then click italicize, select it. They just want to show you where it's at. Now they want us to take the format painter right here and do it to all of them. Format painter, salads, come on. Format painter. Painter, salad, format painter, main dishes, format painter, desserts. Okay. All right.
My format painter isn't working.
Oh man. Make sure you have this highlighted. See your
Yeah.
first one. Okay. Then you go into format painter. You'll see a little paintbrush come up and then click on your word.
And what it has to be under that other color, right? The
Yeah, it has to
my
be
color's
the,
not popping up either.
your font color.
Oh, okay.
This one right here. Orange accent 2, darker 25%. Okay, so once you get that done, click save. Okay, once you get that done, click save. And then we're gonna copy and paste something from some. Okay, so they want us to copy. You want us to go up here, hit this. Okay. Then they want us to the word copy. Or what do we gotta do? Yeah, copy. So I want us to copy it. And then control end. They want us to paste it. Okay. So on the bottom there, they want to paste the text. So now we should have 2 of them. Let me see. Yeah, it should have 12 notes in. Okay. We just don't check. Keeping, okay. Paste option, keep the same. Okay, keep source formatting. Okay, so then they want us to, next to step notes. So next to chef notes. Okay, select text chef notes and type is festive. FES. Festive salad. Okay.
Wait, I'm
Then-
stuck on the copy and paste part
Of what?
on the Skyline Metro thing.
Okay, let's go like this. Select all. Come on. You can either highlight it then right click. Come on. You can go to hit copy, then go to control end. And where it says, and then you go here, hit wherever this is at the end, all you have to do is go paste. Keep source formatting. Okay? And then I'll put it down there. Does that help?
I can't find the control and the end button.
The control end is on your computer. You'll hit the control button and the end button. I'm trying to see if there's another way to do that. Hold on. Yeah, control plus N or control plus X. On the home tab, clipboard code, click the button, use the keyboard shortcut control X. But then you go to control plus N on your keyboard and it'll allow you to bring it to the end. Or you can actually just take your cursor and go all the way down to this last one here and then right click and paste, keeping the source formatting. So either way. Does that help? Did that help at all?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, great. All right, so all right, so now we got into where we got skyline. They wanted to take our picture and put it down in the bottom. So they want us to take it down here and align it up with our green guy best we can. There. They wanted it down there. Now they want us to point to the chef's picture. Right click on it. And edit alt text. So we look at view alt text. Okay. This one's already been done for us. But in here, you want to put young chef making salads in a restaurant kitchen. You want to type in here what you see right here, young chefs making salads. Now, more than likely, because you guys took the picture that I had, that's already in there. You don't have to write it in, okay? If it's not in there, then type that in there. But more than likely, because the picture was already done from the previous class, then we should just be able to just use it that way.
So do we copy and paste the same picture below that then?
Yeah, and well, no, you're gonna drag it.
Oh, okay.
You're gonna drag it. Drag it down to the bottom. And make sure it's just nice and kind of, centered. However you have to center it. Okay, what else we gonna make this? Let me make sure I didn't miss something.
How did you get the alt text box to show?
Oh, no problem. You right click. Let me close it out. Right click, and then you go where it says view alt text. Should be an option. Click on that. And more than likely, it'll say young chefs making salads in a restaurant kitchen. Because we used this picture before. Okay? Did you get it? Okay.
Yeah,
After you
thank
get
you.
it, no problem. Now after you get that, we're gonna save it one more time. We'll go to Insert tab. Bring that down here. We're gonna go to our footer group. We're going to edit footer. With our footer designer group. Our footer, tabs open up. We're gonna go into our insert group, which is right here. We'll go to document info. And we're gonna put file name. And that'll automatically put our file name in our footer. Okay. Close footer and header. Okay. On the quick access toolbar, they want us to do a
Sorry, I'm kind of slow. How did you get the header and footer on there?
no problem. Go to insert, footer, edit footer, then go to insert, document info, file name. And then close it. Oops, I got two of them now. I just needed one.
Sorry, can you show me again? I
Sure.
got to insert, then the
Okay,
footer.
insert, footer. Click on footer. Go down to edit
Edit
footer. Then go to document info in the insert
And then
group,
file name.
then file name. And then close your header footer. Okay. Now, they want us on the quick access toolbar, click to the print preview tab. You place, then right click, and then remove it from it by okay, where is it at? So we want to remove it. So right click and remove from quick access toolbar. That did not make sense. Then they want us to go to file tab. And display back view page. Where is that? Doesn't show me on here. Info. There we go. Okay, on the info tab. This is your back stage view. We're gonna click on, make sure I can see all this. Click on show all properties. You guys can still see this, right? Yeah, you can. Okay. Show all properties in tags. They want us to type in rehearsal dinners, comma, menus, spell it right. Okay. Then in the subject, you guys are going to type in MIS 113 PH.
I think I accidentally I didn't save it and it just like disappeared and I think I might have to do it all over again.
Okay, well, the recording will help you.
Okay.
No problem. Okay, so now that you did that, let's save, and we're where we need to be on the document. We're almost done. Okay, then we're gonna go back to the file tab, to the info page. We're gonna check for issues, which this one's it right here. We're gonna inspect document. Okay. Inspect. Yeah, of course, there's gonna be some stuff in there that's not right, but that's fine. Okay, then we're going to close that. They're just showing you how to do stuff. Okay, check for issues, check accessibility. Okay, image on object not in line, hard to read text. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so then we close that out. Go back to file. I'm just showing you the different things that you can do with this. Check compatibility. Okay, looks good. Effects on text will be removed. Okay. All right, so let's close that out. All right, so click OK, leave your Word doc on display for the next activity. Okay. All right, so we're going to we're going to try to bookmark a 3D model. So I don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to try. In the paragraph, rehearse dinner and menus, click on the word menu. So let's scroll up. Come on, scroll up. Scroll up. Okay, so on the word menu, did I have to leave ideas in there? Okay. You know, we have to leave menus out. Ideas. No, ideas is right. Okay. So ideas need to be in there. Okay, so select the word menu. Okay. And then in the insert tab, look for 3D in the links group. Links group, look for bookmark. And with menu indicated, book name, go to, okay, bookmark name. Okay, hold on. It says enter link to bookmark in the bookmark name, type the book menu. Menu. Okay. And then they want us to click add. So we just did. Hit control home. Okay. And then click bookmark. And then they want us to click to go to. So we went there, it went to menu. All right, so close the finder before. Okay, I did that. All right, click the position insertion point after word desserts. So right there. In illustration group, go to 3D model. We're gonna put this device again because we don't have option for 3D models online. At least I don't. So let me see what they have online. Okay. And then click on the image of a cupcake. Now, where am I gonna find a cupcake at? Hold on, let me look for it. Cupcake. There it is. Click on that. Insert. Okay. Now they want us to point it through the control center of the image, hold down the left mouse button, rotate skip for the upper corner. Okay. So we want us to take our cake and bring it over here. Rotate it slightly. Okay. And then they want us to go to the height box. Where's the height box at? Oh, height. Okay, height box. In the height, they want us to type in 75. Oops. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Undo. Close enough. Okay. And click enter. Okay, in your range group. Oops. Range group, they want us to click on wrap text. And they want us to front of text. And click align. Align. There's one.
What'd you say the height size was?
75. In the arrange group, come on. Oh, 3D model. In the arrange group, align. And click align right, which is already there. Okay. And that's our cupcake. And control home. and save. All right. That should do it. So if we go into file and we show the print option, you can see that should have been further down. Okay, go back. I put it further down. Let's go put it down to desserts. There we go. Should have been further down by desserts. There you go. Let me see if I had it looking the right way. Yep. It's facing that way. It's just under dessert. No. Yeah. Oh, that- Just under. Oops, just under desserts. All right, good. All right, so that's where it's supposed to be. There's your document. Okay. File, print. It'll look like that. As your final project. If you go back to in your book, it'll show it on let's see. It'll show it on page. On page 2. So we're good to go. But we got salads just a little bit off a little bit, so we're just gonna fix that. We're gonna take salads and move it up one. So delete that. There we go. We'll go back to file. Print option. Yep, that looks good. So we're good to go there. Everything's good. This is what you would turn in. In Moodle, we'll show you how to do that next time. I would go ahead and save this file. Save wherever you normally would save it. And any questions?
For me on Mac, that entire